Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PS4. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 console is powered on and ready. Next, take your micro USB cable and connect one end to the small port on the front of your DualShock 4 controller. Then, plug the other end of the cable into one of the USB ports on the front of your PS4 console. Once connected, simply press the PlayStation button located in the center of your controller. After pressing the PlayStation button, your controller should automatically pair with your console. You'll know it's successfully connected when the light bar on the front of your DualShock 4 controller glows a solid color, typically blue or white, indicating it's assigned to a player. Once you see this, you can safely disconnect the micro USB cable from both the controller and the console. Your controller is now ready for wireless gameplay. If you want to connect additional controllers for multiplayer gaming, the process is just as straightforward. Simply repeat the same steps for each new DualShock 4 controller you wish to add. Connect it via the micro USB cable, press the PlayStation button, and wait for the light bar to illuminate. Your PlayStation 4 console can support up to 4 controllers connected at the same time, each indicated by a unique light bar color. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try resetting your controller by pressing the small reset button on the back with a paperclip for 5 seconds. If that doesn't work, try using a different micro USB cable, as sometimes cables can be faulty. Finally, ensure your PlayStation 4 console's system software is fully updated to the latest version for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.